Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're here and you're new, please consider subscribing to the channel and joining the ASG fam. And I'm really happy that all of you are actually here to watch and support me. So today's video is actually very simple. I've been getting questions on how I actually maintain my blue hair, and as you can see over here from the video, my blue hair is actually faded. You can see that there are some parts of greenish and my roots are actually growing out right now, and there's a reason why I'm letting my roots grow out, and I will be giving a short announcement about that soon. So subscribe and stay tuned if you are interested for that. Today's video content is pretty simple. I realized that I have not exactly shown you all how I re-dyed my blue hair every now and then. So I done a couple of videos regarding my blue hair journey. One of them was to bleach my hair. Secondly was the salon experience, which wasn't very good because my hair turned out purple instead of blue. If you all haven't watched that, you can go watch that now. And there's also the third experience where I went to another salon and I went to retouch up my roots. One misconception that people get is when you re-dye your hair is damaging, but the thing is, the dye is not that damaging. It's more of the peroxide and bleach that you use to lighten your hair color for color to be received by your hair. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to just recolor my hair, and I hope that you all like the result. So first things first, you want to use this video as a guide. My hair is now long at the top only, while the sides I have pretty much shaved, so I will not be applying dye over here because that will just waste the product. If you have long hair, especially at the top and the sides, you may have to get more dye. So I hope that this video can help anyone who wants to re-dye your hair, and you know how I'm able to do it by myself. Without further ado, let's get this started. So the first thing you want to get is a pair of gloves. This is to protect your hands and not get your hands stained. And wear a shirt that you don't want to wear anymore, preferably a dark color shirt, because this shirt has been with me since I bleached and dyed my hair at the salon. So I'm going to wear this shirt every time I dye my hair. The next important thing is to get a good quality dye. I'm using Arctic Fox brand over here, and it's a pretty good brand. I really like it a lot. Get a mixing bowl and a comb to evenly distribute and put the dye here so that you can easily apply the dye. Right now I have my glove with me, as you can see over here, and we'll be starting the dyeing process. Right now I've evenly mixed up all the dye over here. As you can see, the blue is really a bit purplish, but don't worry, the dye will actually turn out quite blue. What I'm going to do right now is to apply it from my roots, as you can see, and all the way down, especially the parts where the roots have loose color. So another simple alternative that you can do is to actually get all the dye into your hands, and after that evenly mix them around and just apply it to all around your hair. So you want to make sure that all parts of your hair receive the dye. If it's not enough, go and apply a little bit more and evenly mix down. And also I'm trying to get my back to have the dye, which is a little bit hard because I can't really see. If there's stains on other parts of my head, I will be able to wash them out later on. Usually if you buy a good quality dye, you won't feel any discomfort or pain because it's not bleach. Peroxide and bleach actually will be a bit uncomfortable for your scalp, but for this dye is good quality, and sometimes it can also moisturize your hair after bleaching. So I would recommend you to get a dye that is suitable for you and the shade of the color that you like. Just for your info, the whole application time took about 5 to 10 minutes for me, but if you have longer hair, it might take a bit longer, and I hope you all enjoy this. So hey everyone, I'm pretty much done with the application of the dye. So my hair looks really wet and dark, as you can see, but later on when I wash, I believe the color will be shown and it will look better. So I'm going to be putting the shower cap on like this for at least 30 minutes or so. Hey everyone, so I'm back again after washing out my hair, and as you can see now my hair is on the darker shade of blue, and the hair near my roots are actually covered up pretty well, and I'm really happy with the result. This is how I've been maintaining my blue hair for the past couple of months. So my hair feels good again, and I've actually been using argan oil over here to actually moisturize my hair. So this is basically the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of such content, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give me a like. So see you all in my next video. Goodbye.